For this first one, I wanted to spruce up an old tote bag I had. So on the left, you can see my inspiration photo, and on the right, that's what I mocked up for how I wanted mine to look. I sketched the mushrooms in chalk on my fabric and then cut them out. Once I had everything cut out, it was time to arrange them on my tote bag. Once I finally decided where they all looked best, I pinned them all down. Once they're secured, I sewed them down using very wide and uneven hand stitches. I wanted my stitches to be very visible and have a natural look to them. When you're stitching, make sure you're only grabbing one layer of tote bag under the appliques. And here's the completed bag. For the second bag, I made it entirely from scratch, starting with the tote bag. For the tote, I cut out 2 large rectangles about 15 by 14 inches for the body of the bag, and for the strap, I cut 2 rectangles that were about 16 by 3 inches. And then I cut 3 Christmas trees in different textures of fabric, just freehanding my design. Once I had my 3 trees cut out, I arranged them and then pinned them down. And and then it was time to sew. Since I didn't have my bag sewn together yet, it was super easy just to use a sewing machine, and I set my stitch length to 4. When I got to a point in the fabric, leaving the needle in the fabric, I would raise the foot and turn the fabric. I repeated this for all 3 trees. Once all the trees were sewn on, I started assembling my bag, serging together the sides and the bottom of the bag. And then I took my few pieces of fabric for my straps, folded them in half, and serged down the side. And here I am just turning those straps inside out. Them flat and then top stitched down the edges of the straps. I kept my stitch length at a 4 for this. I hemmed the top edge of the bag while the straps were pinned on, and here I am just reinforcing these straps by sewing a shape across my strap that looks like this. And that's my finished tote bag. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back next week with another tutorial.